1968 RT Charger restoration, the paint process, part 1. But first, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, there's the pretty. Now let's see how we got there. A whole bunch of that. And you can see the tape there. We'll block and then reverse, then block again with 400, then finish up with 8. And on to sealing. We use a 3M sealant. Works really well. Makes a huge difference on the finished result. Now, we had taken all of the caulking out originally when we media blasted, and we're putting it back. And now we're prepping for the sealer coat. And I really like these little Developus D-wipes. And basically what they are, alcohol on a towelette. And then to the crystal tack cloth. And now we're good to go on our sealer coat. And this is a PPG sealer. Trying to be really nice and uniform. And we broke out the mini gun for these hard to reach little areas here. Want to be really thorough. Get a really nice, good job. And sealer coat applied. We'll let that flash and then thoroughly inspect it. And if there's any issues, well, we stop and we take care of them. Okay, so everything looked good. We're tacking the sealer coat off. And you never want to really press hard with the tack rag. That can cause you issues. Okay, here we go with the color. 1968 Dodge P1. And that is PPG DBC. And again, with the smaller gun, we want to be really thorough. We don't want any places that aren't covered. And now we're switching over to my gun of choice. It's a Techna Pro Light. Really love that gun. Laying out really nicely. Getting a real nice overlap. Yeah, definitely my favorite gun. And the base coat is applied. And here's a look. Double checking for coverage. Don't see any issues. I think we're good to go. And we're an exclusive PPG shop. And here we go with the clear. Now this is PPG 2021 clear. And it's a high build clear. Really like this. And we're going to apply 3 coats. And with 3 coats, that will allow us to get really aggressive with the color sanding and buffing. We can really flatten out this clear. It's going to be gorgeous. And there it is. Now this is the part 1. We're going to have part 2 and 3 and however many parts until it's finished. Hey, and to all our supporters and followers, thanks for your support. Yeah, this car is going to turn out really well. Can't wait to get on it, color sanding and buffing. And we'll start out with 1,000, then 1,500, then switch to 2,000, then 3,000. And we'll be using the 3M system, buffing system 1, 2, and 3 numbers. And we will video all of that. So stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching.